how to select a pot for your African violet. You have basically two choices. You have plastic or terracotta. I prefer the terracotta. Some others prefer the plastic. This is a 2.5-inch plastic pot. This is the size of pot that your mini African violet will live in for its lifespan. You do not need to upgrade to a larger size. Here is a 6-inch African violet pot, and this is an appropriate size for the lifespan of your larger species of African violets. This is a 2.5-inch terracotta pot. Again, these are great for your minis. You can also use the 2.5-inch pots for cuttings and for seedlings. This is a 6-inch terracotta pot. The downside to a terracotta pot is that salts from your water and your food have a tendency to build up along the rim and on the bottom of your pot. Take a clean, damp cloth at least once a month and wipe off the top of your pot and the bottom of your pot to remove the salt residue. This will make for a happier African violet.